Do it. We are in the hand.
Then baking powder. Then
Baking
Then
cocoa powder.
cocoa powder. Let it have it.
cocoa.
Actually, cocoa powder is my favorite. Without cocoa powder, chocolate cake is not possible. You have to pour it into the cocoa powder. Wow! I can smell the cocoa powder's taste. Wow! See this thing. Yum, yum, yum. I'm waiting for to see it to the end. It's full of cocoa and another, so it is very less. So see the down parts. Wow! Till we get the some oily stuff on the top, like until we have to do like that.
That smells coming out, baby.
Yeah, cocoa powder salt. Like, see, we have to get the oily stuff on the top.
And we should keep this at the oven, and this will become like a
Oil and yeah. What? Nom, nom. This is more exemplar like this. See, wow. And our chocolate cake is toasted and molded. We have to put it all on the top, so it is so healthy and tasty, and it's so delicious too. Yeah. Now time for keeping it in the oven. Now, wow, it's so healthy too and chocolatish. Yeah.
bye bye. I want to say something. Wait. Bye
Now
bye.
we talk till our cake gets ready.
Oh,
Wow,
Oh,
see
yay! The cake is popping.
yeah, see the liquidy cake has come up like popped up like this, and
Yes, baby.
See how it is.
It's half of the we baked for the cake. It's coming. It's off now.
yeah,
It's overflowing.
yeah. Then I want to taste it now itself. I think see the walnuts we have put.
It's look like see that, baby.
Yeah, like it's popped up. Oh, this smell is very nice. Now let's see if it is cooked or not. Yeah, it is
Wow,
so
it's nicely
good.
cooked, I think, baby.
Yeah, it is
Ah.
Now we are gonna take it and place it in the pot.
What is too hot, baby?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, Rakuti.
Now we
Oh,
have
it's
peeled
good.
the paper.
All the paper, it's feel it out.
Daddy, no one paper it is
Where is
there.
that, baby?
This one.
All the paper is peel it out.
Now see,
Now-
now let's taste it and
Yes.
see.
Now turn it like this.
See.
It's very
Wow,
nice, Adi.
nice.
You see?
Wow.
Wow. Wait.
This cake is so nice, and see how it has turned to become.
Wait. Some
Happy
more.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Actually, this is a homemade walnut cake.
Wow. See?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Wow.
See how hot it is. Yeah.
Really, first time it's impacted by the cake. It's amazing. So nice.
Yeah.
Seriously, it's very nice.
Daddy,
See
it's
that?
happy
Yeah.
birthday cake. Let's sing happy birthday to the cake.
Yes, baby.
Happy
See how
birthday
it is.
to you.
Oh, first time is.
Happy birthday
Yeah.
to you. Happy birthday to you, cake.
See, Adi,
Now let's
how's the
see.
taste? Little.
So nice.
அவனுடைய
விளையாட்டு உருவாக்குதல்
பெருமை பற்றி பேசிக் கொண்டிருக்கிறார்.
He wanted more.
How is it, Arya?
Nice.
Yeah, are you sure? Seriously, I don't know.
But this is our first time, the cake.
Cake. Yes. See? Eat and check.
Wow. It's so
Are-
nice.
Really say or not? Huh? Seriously, baby?
Seriously.
Yeah?
You eat and see it.
அமுதக்கடல் உனக்குத்தான் ஆறாமழை உனக்குத்தான் நீங்காவிடல் உனக்கு
Please